If you have some upcoming projects around your house where you're planning to build something and you're not quite sure how you're going to attach your wood pieces, maybe it's a flower planter or something larger like cabinets or a mudroom organization system. Well, pocket hole screws are a fantastic way to connect those pieces together, and they have a lot of benefits. In this video, I will share 3 key things that you need to know about pocket hole screws before you move forward. Let's get to it. First, there's a couple different types of screws that you need to be aware of. Pocket hole screws come in coarse thread, they come in fine thread. You can also get them coated if you're going to use them outside so that the screws don't corrode. And if you're using them indoors, they come in a zinc coating, something you don't want to use outside. The fine thread screws are used more for hard wood. The coarse thread screws are used for more of the softer wood. So if you're planning to construct something out of plywood or maybe just dimensional lumber, the coarse thread is going to be more of what you want to use on that project. The second key point to consider is the size of the screw, and this really is going to be dependent upon the thickness of the material that you're going to be screwing your pocket hole screws into. As an example, if you're going to be attaching 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood together, you'll want to use a 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screw. This will ensure that the screw does not go through the other side of your material after you connect it, but you still get a good grip and enough surface area on that screw into that wood. This chart shows the material thickness and the screw length that you want to consider if you're going to be using pocket hole screws. So as an example, if your material is 1 1/4 inches thick, you want to make sure that you use a 2-inch pocket hole screw. Third, and most importantly, there are several different techniques that you want to use when you're using pocket hole screws. First, make sure you clamp your materials together. It is really important that you get a nice flush fit between the 2 pieces of wood that you're going to be joining together with these pocket hole screws before you screw the screw into the pocket hole. Now, another technique to consider, and it's really not a technique, it's more of a tool that you're going to need to make this happen. Get yourself a good pocket hole jig. Craig, in my opinion, makes the best pocket hole jigs on the market, and they have a couple of different flavors. They make the Craig 320, which I've had one of these for years and it's kind of beaten up. They also make the Craig 720, which is for larger projects. It really makes a big difference in the speed of getting your project completed because you can drill your holes into your material super fast with this jig. Additionally, if you're just looking to get started with something small, Craig makes their pocket hole jig 310. It is a single pocket hole jig that you can use to make a single hole in any material that you have. So if you're looking to start small or go big, there's a lot of options there. It's also a good idea to use a good wood glue when you're using pocket hole screws. This just adds some additional staying power to the screws when they connect the wood together so that you get a nice good glued seam in addition to the pocket hole screws providing the pressure between the 2 pieces of wood. Now, if you don't have a pocket hole jig and you want to learn a little bit more about the different types that are available to you, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.